How to download songs in Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can download songs in your Spotify account. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Spotify application and get logged into your Spotify account. Now from the bottom search bar, type in the name of any artist of which you would like to download the song. In order to download the song, tap on three-dot icon. You will see download option. Tap onto it. So in order to download the song, you have to be a premium member of Spotify. You can also try this for free for 1 month. If you would like to try for free, then tap on try free for 1 month. Tap on continue with Spotify. Then at this page, enter your card details, and once you do all that, you will be able to download songs in Spotify, and that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.